104 acres of rolling pasture, East Rock Creek frontage, and a custom-built estate, this Lewisburg property delivers the ultimate Middle Tennessee lifestyle. Perfectly positioned along Nashville Highway, this remarkable retreat combines refined luxury with true working farm capability, offering privacy, productivity, and panoramic countryside views just minutes from town. and double ovens, ideal for everyday living and large gatherings alike. An elevator provides seamless access between levels, while the primary suite offers spa-like finishes and serene views of the surrounding countryside. Outdoor living is equally impressive. A screened porch with a fireplace creates a cozy year-round retreat, while the fire pit gathering area invites evenings under Tennessee skies. An RV or camper pad with a 50-amp hookup adds flexibility for guests or travel enthusiasts, ensuring the property is as functional as it is beautiful. For the agricultural buyer, the land is fully fenced and cross-fenced with underground waterers in the pastures, making it ready for cattle or horses. A 32 by 48 metal barn with concrete floors provides excellent storage for equipment, feed, or livestock. Rolling fields transition naturally into mature hardwood stands, offering prime space for hunting, hiking, or trail riding along East Rock Creek. Location enhances the appeal, just minutes from Henry Horton State Park and within easy reach of I-65, Franklin, Columbia, and Murrysboro. This accessibility makes the estate both private and convenient. Whether envisioned as a working farm, equestrian estate, recreational retreat, or multi-generational homestay, this 104-acre offering represents a rare opportunity to own scale, luxury, and authentic Tennessee land in one extraordinary package.